Hey, what's going on, Donnie? This is Joe, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you high ranking on Google, and in return, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So you can continue to build out your awesome business you have. Cool. So, first things first, obviously you don't have a website, so I'm going to show you your competitor's website, what they're doing right, and what you can do to beat them and start taking their leads to your website. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we're going to talk about is going to be content. Right? Content is super important to Google. Okay, so for example, they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words alone on your homepage. Right now, obviously, that's a lot of words. Okay, and very few people are going to read 2,000 words, but Google will, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, 500 words on their website. Does that make sense? So when we scroll all of the words on the website, Google is reading, right? And they're only coming up with about 500 words. Okay, so that's pretty low, right? That's not that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal that they like to see. Okay, so to outrank this guy's homepage, all you got to do is add in 1,500 words. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Another thing I recommend you doing is adding in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So the more keywords you're ranking for, it's going to be a lot easier for your potential customers to be able to find your website, right? Because you're going to be at the top of the organic rankings. Another thing Google loves about ranked websites is big built-out websites. Okay, and that means the more pages you have, the better, right? So as you can see, this guy's website is pretty big, right? He has a lot of pages, right? So to beat him in this area, count how many pages he has, right? And then go add a couple more to your website, right? Pretty simple. Just make your website, bigger than his and have more words than his, right? They're not asking too much, are they? And then on your service pages, okay, definitely recommend, or Google recommends 500 to 700 words. Okay, and this guy's doing about 500. So to beat him here, I recommend doing 600 to 700 words. Does that make sense? So trying to beat him in every area of his website that we can, so that it makes it super easy for Google to favor your website. Moving on to the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is. Everybody knows when you get to the top 3, your phone's going to start blowing up. You're going to start getting a lot of potential customers. But how do you get here, right? And how you get here is with a lot of high-star reviews. Okay, good pictures, good business description, right? But more importantly, citations. And citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org. Okay, just to name a few, there are several citation websites out there, and we use a tool called WhiteSpark. Okay, and WhiteSpark, we can type in this guy's information. It'll show us exactly which citations he has and how many. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So if he has 40 citations, that means we need to go out there and get 50 citations. Does that make sense? So once again, we're trying to beat him in every area that we can, making it super easy for Google to favor us. Okay, so I definitely recommend you going out there and getting as many citations as you can and building your Google My Business profile so it's ready to rank number 1. Once you get past the map pack, right, you get into the organic ranking. Let's come in. Okay, so here's your keyword at the top right here. When you start ranking for the top, or for the top spot, this keyword, you're going to be at the top of the organic. Okay, so that's why it's super important to rank for as many keywords as you can. Moving on to the last thing we're going to talk about is going to be backlinks, right? Backlinks are super important. This is what passes power to your website and is what ultimately ranks your website to the top of Google. Okay? You can have an awesome website, but if your awesome website doesn't have power, it's going to stay at the bottom and nobody's ever going to see it. So that's where backlinks come in, and that's why they're super important. So as you can see, your competition has 69 websites pointing back to him through a clickable link. Okay? That's a backlink. So Google thinks this guy is the most credible electrician in San Jose, right? Because he has a lot of credible power. beat him here. Go out there and get 70 good quality links to point back to you, right? You can also see how many keywords he has, 184 keywords. So that's really good on him as well. We're trying to rank for as many keywords as we can. 100 plus is the goal. So he's doing really good there as well. Because he has, a good website, right? Because he has a lot of keywords and because he has good credible power, he's bringing in almost 260 leads per month. So that's pretty awesome, right? Definitely shows you what having an awesome website can do for your business, right? It could take you to the next level, right? Imagine if you could just get half of these, right? I'm sure that would still take you to the next level. So definitely something to think about, definitely something to take advantage of, right? If you're really trying to grow. So those are the 3 things I wanted to show you today: content, citations, and backlinks. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions or need any help. You can call or text me, 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you and getting some feedback. So I'll call you Monday and make sure you got the video. Hopefully get some feedback. But once again, thanks for watching and have a great day.